Okay, last time we talked about tags and kind of the basic formatting that you follow with a website. We are going to talk about attributes now. Okay, so first off, real quick, we're going to, to kind of help us illustrate a point, I'm going to teach you how to do a link, which is a tag. Okay, so within this paragraph, let's say it's my paragraph, I'm like, I really like West Jordan High School. Okay, and then maybe comma because let's use proper grammar, because Mr. Cornia is a dork. Cool. That's a good reason to like the school. Okay, so let's say I want to link to West Jordan High School. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to actually surround it with an anchor tag. Okay, and then close out that anchor tag. Okay, so this is letting the website know, like, hey, I'm about to do something to this word. Okay, so the anchor tags aren't going to show up in your text, right? But it's letting the browser know, hey, like something's about to happen. Okay, so this is where an attribute comes in. So I have my tag, right, which is an anchor tag. The attribute, I'm going to do space after the anchor. And the attribute I want to do is href, right? So that's a type of attribute. So we href equals, and then we do quotes. Okay, what href stands for is hyperlink reference. Hyperlink reference. Okay, so it's basically a link. Okay, so href equals, I have the quotes, and then I need to put in the website. Okay, so I already copied it, so I'm just going to paste the website that I want to go to. Okay, and then so that's an attribute, right? This whole thing would be the attribute. So I'm going to hit save, and let's go ahead and check it out, make sure it worked. So I'm going to hit refresh. Okay, so there you go. My heading, my paragraph, I really like West Jordan High School because Mr. Cornia is dork, and see that I have a link here. I'm going to click on that, and you see it opened up, right? Now, you probably also noticed that my website disappeared. Okay, so there's another attribute that I can do to actually fix that. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to our thing. Okay, so another attribute. So I'm adding another attribute. I'm just going to hit space. Okay, and I'm actually going to say target equals quote underscore blank. Oops, spelled blank wrong. Okay, target equals underscore. Okay, so that's another attribute. I'm going to hit save. So let's see if that worked. So I'm going to hit refresh, right? I'm going to click on it. Cool. So my website didn't go away. It just opened up another one because of that code I put in there. Okay. So let's see. Next thing we're going to discuss is, drum roll, please, list. Let's figure out how to code a list. Okay. So let's see. There's a little button called wrap text. Yeah, word wrap. There we go. So I don't want to have to scroll over. Okay. So I want to add another. So I'm in the body. Okay, and I want to add that we have two different types of lists. Well, there's three, but we're going to cover two. Ordered list and unordered list. So an unordered list is going to be something that it doesn't matter what order we do it in. Okay, so an unordered list could be my grocery shopping list. Okay, an ordered list is going to be something that it matters, right? So Harry Potter, right? It matters which order you read the books in. So I would do an ordered list. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do Star Wars. That's fun. We're going to do an ordered list. So ordered list is OL for ordered list. Okay. And then I know that I'm going to have to close it out, right? So I'm going to close out ordered list. Okay. So that's how I like to go. I know that I have an opening and closing tag. And now I want to put something in between, right? So I'm just going to hit enter and tab. Okay. Now the tag for the list item is LI. Okay. List item. And then I'm going to close out that list item. Okay, so each one of these is going to, whatever I type in there is going to come up in the ordered list. So I know I'm going to need multiple ones. So let's just go ahead and Control D, duplicate it. And we're doing Star Wars, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'll go in order, right? So Phantom. I didn't look up how to spell some of these before. Menace? No, Menace. Okay, Phantom Menace. Attack of the Clones. Revenge of the Sith. New Hope. Empire Strikes Back. Return of the Jedi. The Force Awakens. I can't even remember this one because it's the worst one. Is it The Last Jedi? Yeah. Last Jedi. And Rise of Skywalker. I guess it's the. It might be the. I don't know. Anyways. Okay. So ordered list items. Right. I have an opening, closing tag. Goes all the way down. Close out my ordered list. Let's go ahead and save that. And let's see what that looks like on our website. Cool. So now I have an ordered list, right? And now let's do an unordered list. So let's just change the OL to UL, unordered list. Okay, cool. Now it's bullet points. Okay, so that's a little bit about ordered lists. Okay, next thing we're going to talk about is including comments in your code. Okay, so a comment is important, especially in industry, because maybe you have multiple people, maybe you have like 3 or 4 people working on one part of the website. So you need to be able to put comments in so that people know. Okay, so all I have to do, right? So I'm going to put a comment in right here. In order to do a comment, I do that less than sign. I don't know. I'm not a mathematician. Then we'll do an exclamation point, and we'll do those, right? So now you can see everything just became green, right? So maybe I put in a comment, needs to change to ordered list, okay? Something like that. Then I'm just going to repeat what I just did. So the dashes and then close it out. Okay, so now you can see that's green, nothing else is green. Okay, so when I hit save, nothing should change on my website. See, nothing changed, right? But if that wasn't there, then this would just disappear, right? So again, that's just a way to put a comment in. Okay, so that's important. Last thing I wanted to cover, and today was, oh no, announcements.
Good morning, This is Emily Labonte.
I guess that's it for today.
For today's lunch, our